Could a robot steal your dream job? Imagine a world where robots perform surgery, write captivating ad copy, and even compose symphonies. What was once science fiction is becoming reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's rapidly evolving, and it's reshaping industries, including the one you work in. Could a robot take over your dream job? It's a question worth considering. The fear of job displacement due to automation is understandable. However, understanding AI's capabilities and limitations is crucial. This isn't about a robots versus humans scenario. It's about adapting and embracing the collaboration between humans and AI to create a more efficient and innovative future. AI is already interwoven into our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. Our smartphones use AI for facial recognition, personalized recommendations, and voice assistance. In the workplace, AI is streamlining processes, automating tasks, and providing data-driven insights. From manufacturing and logistics to finance and healthcare, AI is making its presence felt. This technology is transforming how businesses operate and how we work. Understanding AI's current applications is the first step in preparing for its even more significant role in the future.
In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs with remarkable accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities in detecting subtle anomalies. This translates to quicker and more accurate diagnoses, potentially saving lives. Imagine an AI system that can instantly analyze a patient's medical history, genetic information, and current symptoms to provide a comprehensive diagnosis and suggest personalized treatment plans. This is the future of medicine that AI is helping to create.
Marketing and advertising are being reshaped by AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and predict consumer behavior. AI-powered algorithms can personalize advertisements, target specific demographics, and optimize marketing campaigns for maximum impact. Have you ever wondered how online platforms seem to know exactly what you're interested in? That's AI at work, analyzing your online behavior and serving you content tailored to your preferences. This personalized approach is the new frontier of marketing.
For expression and exploration.
Customer service is another area where AI is making significant inroads. Chatbots and virtual assistants are now commonplace, providing instant responses to customer queries and resolving issues efficiently. While some may miss the human touch, AI-powered customer service offers undeniable benefits, including 24/7 availability and consistent service quality. Additionally, it frees up human agents to handle more complex issues requiring empathy and critical thinking.
The legal and financial sectors, often associated with complex decision-making, are also witnessing AI's impact. AI systems can analyze legal documents, identify relevant case law, and even predict the outcome of litigation. In finance, AI is used for algorithmic trading, risk assessment, and fraud detection. While these AI applications raise ethical and legal questions, their potential to improve efficiency, accuracy, and fairness in these critical sectors is undeniable. As AI evolves, its role in these fields will only become more prominent.
The key to thriving in an AI-driven job market is not to fear AI, but to embrace collaboration. By understanding AI's strengths and limitations, we can focus on developing uniquely human skills that complement AI. These skills include creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, we should see it as an opportunity. By working alongside AI, we can enhance our capabilities, boost productivity, and unlock new levels of innovation. The rise of AI underscores the importance of continuous learning and upskilling. To stay relevant in the evolving job market, we must embrace lifelong learning and develop skills that are in high demand in the age of AI. This includes technical skills related to AI development and implementation, as well as soft skills like communication, collaboration, and adaptability. By investing in our education and embracing a growth mindset, we can position ourselves for success in the exciting AI-powered future.